Now I'm here in Anarkali railway metro orange train station. Yes, रेलवे स्टेशन जाएगी ना. Yes, viewers, this train from Lahore, orange train. Right now I am arrival is GP train station. And right now I have to show this one, exit from here, then go to outside. Yes, viewers, here is if you buy a ticket by yourself, no? So here is पाकिस्तान में मैं हमेशा कंफ्यूज होता हूँ, मेरी प्रॉब्लम यही है. Yes, viewers, this is orange train in Lahore city, metro train, 20 rupees everywhere. Everywhere you want to go, this train line is 20 rupees. One passenger, 20 rupees ticket. बाहर निकलने का. Here in Pakistan, just if you are going to up, you can use the elevator, but you have to down, so you have to use this one straight. And exit from here, finish. यार यहाँ से एक्सिट होने के लिए ये कूपन डालना पड़ेगा. इस तरह ये कूपन डाल दो यहाँ पर. So right now I'm exit from here. So after that I have to go left side because the Lahore main railway station this side. Okay. Okay viewers, so metro train station finished already. I have to exit from here, going to down, and this video for orange train finished.